Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Sadish. Today we are diving into the world of SQL and exploring a powerful tool called window function. Let's get started. A window function in SQL helps us to see not just one answer for the whole data, but individual answer for each row. While aggregate function gives you a summary for the whole data, window function maintains details and let us focus on a specific group of rows. Let's understand this with the diagram. We have a table. If you are grouping the table, then this is our first group, this is our second group, and this is our third group. When you do the group by, what will happen? It will group the whole data and it will give one row from the first group, one row from the second group, and one row from the third group. Now let's talk about partition by. Instead of give one result for whole group, it will create a small partition in group and find result in each partition like this. Now let's talk about different types of window functions. First is row number. The row number is a function that simply assigns a sequential integer number to each row in the query's result dataset. This is the syntax of our row number. Let's understand this with the example. This is the MySQL workbench. Select all, row number with over close. This is the syntax of row number. My table is final fact table, so from final fact table, let's run this query. After run this query, we can see here is a result. Here is a column created in this table. It assigns a sequential row number for every row. Then you can see alias for this column. It's completely up to you. I'm naming it row number. So this is how row number works. Now let's understand how partition by works in window function. What is partition by? Think of your data as a big group, and within that group you might have smaller subgroups. Partitioning in a window function is like creating those smaller subgroups. We use partition by in overflows. Let's run this query. Now we can see here it created smaller partitions by city and assign a row number for every partition. So that's how partition works. The rank function especially assign a rank to each row based on a provided column. Basically, you add another column to a result set. The first row gets rank 1 and the following row gets higher rank. If any rows have the same value in the column, they are ranked the same. The rank function is actually leave gaps in such cases. For example, if the first row and second row have the same value in the provided column, they both get the rank 1. Then the third row gets rank 3 and rank 2 will be missing. That's how it works. Let's take an example. Here I want to see ranking by product unit price. In overclose, use order by unit price. What order by will do basically, imagine you have a bunch of data and you want to organize it in a specific order, like arranging employee based on their salary from the highest to lowest. Order by in a window function is like telling the system, please arrange my data in this particular order, ascending or descending. After run this query, here we can see it gave ranking by unit price low to high. If not right, ascending or descending in order wise, it will automatically give you ascending or descending. If it finds same rank, then it skips some sequences. So here, this is how it works. Now dense rank. Dense rank is a window function in SQL. Assign a unique rank to each row, handling ties by assigning the same rank without gaps. This is the syntax of dense rank. Rank and dense rank are both used to assign ranking to rows in a table. When using the dense rank function, The SQL database assigns a rank to each row based on the value in the specified column. Unlike rank, lens rank doesn't leave gap in ranking, so even if values are the same, it assigns the same rank without skipping any number. This can be handy when you want a continuous sequence of rank in your result set. Let's understand this with the example. Let's take an example of dense rank. Syntax of rank and dense rank is almost same. If I run this query, here we can see it assign a continuous ranking for result set. It doesn't skip any values. So this is how dense rank works. The lead function in data analytics is like having a crystal ball. It helps us peek into the future rows of our data set. It helps us see what's coming up in the next rows of our data set. So if you want to know what come next, lead is the function that gives you a glimpse ahead. Let's understand this with the example. In select statement, I am writing order ID unit price. On which particular column I want to apply lead, that we have to write here. Then in overclose, partition by order ID, and I want order by unit price low to high. You can also give alias. I'm naming it next unit price. Let's run this query. Here we can see a column created and showing next value of each row. So this is how lead function works. And on the other hand, the lag function is like flipping through the pages of history book. It allows us to see what happened in the rows before our current rows position. If you are interested in the part, lag is the function to use. These functions are handy tools for navigating through your data, whether you are predicting future trends or explaining the historical context. Here is the example of lag function. In select statement, I'm writing order ID, comma unit price. On which particular column I want to apply lag, that we have to write here. Then in overclose, partition by order ID, and I want order by unit price ascending order. After run this query, here we can see a column created that's showing previous value for each row. So this is how lag function works. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more data analytics content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.